Here's a project I picked up for next year. This is a late 60s, early 70s. It's a bird duck or a drover. So, it's got a few flaws. Do not like the Ohio State theme. Sorry. But still has the original brake, which is all worn out. See the cracking? So if I can't find that, I might have to convert it to a more modern pit bike style. And these shocks, well, the cylinder's frozen. And the forks are bent. You can definitely see at this angle. So this is a project for next year. It's definitely getting a paint job, where I'll go with the tires and rims and everything else. I'm not sure, but it's definitely getting new shocks. I might try to get a new upholstered seat, because underneath this I can feel the cracking, and this is just see. But yeah, probably gonna get a new upholstered seat. Give me comments what you think I should probably do to it, because I do have a 200cc built clone that I can slap on it, ready to go. But I'll have to do brakes, engine, tires, shocks, just a total makeover. Give me your thoughts. Thanks for watching.